Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Abdul Rahman, a student of New College, pursuing my BCom there. And today we are here to see a small video presentation on the topic the differences between financial accounting and cost accounting. In this topic, we are going to see nearly 8 different bases on which we are going to differentiate the financial accounting as well as cost accounting. The 8 different bases are uses of information, statutory compliance, nature and objective, focus, nature of cost, stock valuation, cost analysis, and time period. Moving on to the basis, the first basis is the uses of information. So, who are the uses of financial accounting and cost accounting? The main uses of financial accounting are the people like creditors, government, employees, customers, and as well as employees. While coming to cost accounting, the main uses of the cost accounting is the people from internal management of a particular organization or certain organizations. From this above point, we'll note that only handsome of people use this cost accounting method, whereas a large number of people, including the government, uses financial accounting. Moving forward, the second basis is statutory compliance. Financial accounting is statutory for all the businesses. Statutory in the sense it is mandatory for all the business organizations. While coming to cost accounting, as it is voluntary in nature, so it is not mandatory for all the organization, whereas it is mandatory only for the certain groups of businesses. Moving forward to the third basis, that is nature. Financial accounting is subjective in nature, whereas cost accounting is objective in nature. The principles of financial accounting are non-uniform, whereas the principles of cost accounting is uniform across all the firms. And moving forward to the fourth basis, that is focus. The main focus of financial accounting is in recording all the transactions. Whereas in cost accounting, the main focus is to find the cost and control the cost, which is really helpful for producing and it is really useful for an organization to be effective and efficient when they find the cost and they control the cost. And moving forward to the fifth basis, that is nature of cost. In financial accounting, the costs are emphasized generally at historical cost, whereas in cost accounting, it lays emphasis on historical cost as well as predetermined costs. That is the nature of cost. Then the next basis is stock valuation. In financial accounting, the stocks are basically valued at cost and net realizable value, whereas in cost accounting, the stocks are generally valued at cost. They are not valued at net realizable value. And one more point, that is, it is the financial accounting. In financial accounting, the stocks are valued at cost and the net realizable value, that is whichever is lesser. Moving forward to the seventh basis, that is cost analysis. The cost analysis in financial accounting is done through comparing the cost and revenue to see the profits of the company, whereas in cost accounting, the cost is analyzed for each and every product, that is like product wise, department wise, separately. The last point is last basis is time period. In financial accounting, the financial statements are generally prepared at the end of the year for reporting purposes, whereas the cost accounting, the cost data is prepared as per the requirement of the company or the organization. It may be the cost data is prepared on a continuous basis. That is, it may be weekly, monthly, or day wise. That's what it is, continuous. Whereas financial accounting, the financial statements are prepared annually. They are not prepared continuously as cost accounting. I hope you all understood all the differences between financial accounting as well as cost accounting. And I really thank my professor Amin sir for giving this good opportunity for all the students who could express their views and ideas through this video presentation. And If at all I have committed any mistakes, I really apologize for that. And thanks for watching this video patiently.